Welcome to the first video in the FastTrack Video Series. We've laid out the most effective sequence for you to set up your account based on how the program operates. Don't just spectate, participate with us. Each video covers one task, so you will be able to master this program in no time. We learn by doing, so let's add an owner to your account together. At the top of the blue header bar and to the right, you'll find the question mark icon. This is where we have the frequently asked questions and the link to the tutorials. Right next to that, you'll notice your account name and a gear icon. Let's click on that icon, the user panel, and select Settings. In the Settings screen, scroll down on the left side past the heading General, Plans, and Billing until you reach Account Management. Then click on the Manage Owners tab. This will take you to the grid with all of the owners. Go to the upper right side of the screen and click the green Add Owner button. I'm going to name it Test Owner. Fill out as much information as you would like to. The red asterisk fields are required fields. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now you can see the new owner you have just created under Manage Owners. Next to the user panel on the far right of the screen, you will see the number of owners. Click on that and you will see a drop-down of all the owners. You can select all or deselect all and select the specific owner you want to view. Click away from the drop-down and the system will refresh, showing you the data relating to the owner selected. Congratulations! That's the first of many small wins on your way to mastering the program. If you have any other questions, please email or give us a call. We'll add a building in the next video, so you can skip that if you only own single-family home.